Power delivery is changing. With the big data revolution, plants and fleets are gathering millions of data points each minute from connected assets. But the true future of power generation lies in our ability to distill and analyze this data in real time to gain insights and make timely and accurate decisions, which can result in increased availability, reliability, and ultimately profitability. With Siemens Asset Performance Management, the future of power generation is now. Asset Performance Management, or APM, is a cloud-based or on-site platform that integrates with your enterprise systems, providing real-time analysis of asset performance, predictive modeling, and just-in-time maintenance workflow routing. Powered by Siemens MindSphere platform, APM combines Bentley Systems' expertise in asset performance management with Siemens' long legacy of operations and maintenance experience to give your plant or fleet a powerful suite of both predictive and real-time tools. With APM, asset managers can easily view current and historical trends in equipment and plant health, determine which assets are most critical and may be candidates for near-term or future maintenance or replacement, and even create a digital twin that models the impact of replacing an asset or implementing a new infrastructure across the entire plant. Plant managers can monitor and manage equipment performance, action work orders for engineers in time to help prevent failures, and proactively reduce the risk of forced outages and emissions issues. And with a global data infrastructure, APM is helping better predict future risks and opportunities so that what we learn from a forced outage in one plant can inform plants all over the world. In a world of information, it's not about having data. It's about knowing how to leverage data to optimize your business. With Siemens Asset Performance Management, we're seamlessly connecting plants and fleets to help you realize the future of power delivery now.